The DJI Avata 360 drone is rapidly becoming one of the most anticipated releases in the drone industry, with new leaks and rumors painting an exciting picture of what could be DJI's most revolutionary FPV drone yet. According to emerging reports, this model is set to officially debut toward the end of 2025, marking a major milestone in immersive aerial videography. What sets the DJI Avata 360 apart from its predecessors and competitors is its full 360-degree video recording capability, something enthusiasts have been requesting for years. With this feature, DJI aims to push FPV technology into an entirely new era, combining ultra-immersive visuals, advanced stabilization, and cinematic precision. The Avata 360 appears to be positioned as the next evolution of DJI's Avata series, blending FPV adrenaline with a powerful, creator-focused camera system capable of producing professional-grade footage from every angle. Since early prototype tracking in mid-2025, the drone community has been buzzing, particularly after renowned tech insider Igor Bogdanov leaked what appear to be official marketing materials, high-resolution renders and product shots that look far too polished to be mere test images. These leaks strongly suggest that the Avata 360 has already entered final production, with DJI gearing up for an official reveal, possibly between November and December 2025. The leaked visuals reveal a drone design that's both elegant and aggressive, with an aerodynamic shell crafted from carbon composite materials to reduce weight while maintaining durability. The camera module appears to be the centerpiece of this drone's innovation. Instead of fixed fisheye lenses like those found on the upcoming anti-gravity A1, DJI has opted for a rotating, gimbal-mounted 360-degree camera system. This means smoother transitions, seamless perspective shifts, and cinematic 360-degree capture without distortion, an enormous advantage for filmmakers, vloggers, and commercial content creators. The sensor is rumored to be a 1-inch CMOS sensor co-developed with Hasselblad, promising exceptional image clarity, dynamic range, and color accuracy even in low-light environments. Paired with DJI's latest Rocksteady Plus and Horizon Steady Pro stabilization systems, the Avata 360 could become the ultimate tool for creators who want unmatched smoothness and control in FPV footage. Moreover, DJI is reportedly enhancing its O4 transmission technology for this model, promising an extended range of up to 20 kilometers with ultra-low latency, perfect for long-distance exploration and professional film production. Pricing details, while not official, have begun circulating among leakers and insiders. The DJI Avata 360's base version may start between $1,099 and $1,299, targeting serious hobbyists and mid-level creators. The Fly More combo, featuring 2 additional batteries, spare propellers, and a premium carrying case, is expected to range from $1,299 to $1,399. For professionals, the Creator combo might cost between $1,499 and $1,599, bundling ND filters, mounts, and DJI's advanced motion controller for more immersive piloting. There's also talk of an enterprise edition for commercial and industrial users, priced between $169.99 and $180.99, which could include SDK support for mapping, surveying, and inspection applications, expanding the drone's utility far beyond cinematic use. However, one major concern still looms: regulatory challenges in the United States. DJI's drones have previously faced scrutiny and restrictions due to data security and import regulations, leading to speculation that the Avata 360's release might be delayed or limited in certain regions. To counter this, insiders claim DJI is working on region-specific compliance measures, such as localized data servers and enhanced encryption features to reassure American customers. Still, global markets like Europe and Asia are expected to see the Avata 360 arrive on schedule. As if that wasn't enough, DJI has been building momentum across multiple product lines, and the Avata 360 appears to be just one part of a massive ecosystem expansion. Alongside it, DJI is also preparing to unveil its next-gen action camera, the Osmo Action 6, on November 18th, further fueling excitement among content creators. This device, which recently appeared in leaked videos shared by Igor Bogdanov, showcases DJI's refined approach to design and functionality. Unlike previous generations, the Osmo Action 6 looks more professional and minimalist, featuring a matte black finish, slightly larger frame, and a deeper lens housing that exudes a serious cinematic aesthetic. DJI seems to have learned from user feedback, introducing subtle yet meaningful upgrades such as improved heat management, enhanced microphones, and a redesigned interface for easier operation in demanding shooting conditions. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a visual upgrade, it's a technological leap. The camera reportedly houses a new 1.1-inch sensor capable of delivering crisper details, richer colors, and outstanding low-light performance. Paired with a variable aperture lens, it gives users unprecedented flexibility for dynamic shooting scenarios, whether it's high-speed mountain biking, underwater exploration, or cinematic storytelling. There's also speculation that the Action 6 will integrate with DJI's drones and even Garmin smartwatches, allowing creators to monitor battery life, frame composition, and GPS data from their wrist. Pricing for the Osmo Action 6 is equally competitive, $379 for the standard combo and $479 for the adventure combo, which includes extra batteries and mounts. DJI clearly intends to appeal to both professionals and enthusiasts by blending accessibility with cutting-edge performance. With enhanced stabilization algorithms, AI-driven scene detection, and potential 8K recording, this model is shaping up to redefine the compact action camera landscape. Battery life is also rumored to surpass the previous generation, with up to 4.5 hours of 4K recording, made possible by improved thermal efficiency and power management. Both the Avata 360 and the Osmo Action 6 showcase DJI's strategy for 2025, bridging the gap between casual users and professionals, emphasizing quality, integration, and immersive storytelling. These aren't just tools for content creation. They represent a unified vision of how creators can capture the world from every perspective, whether from the sky or the ground. DJI's focus on AI-assisted controls, real-time image correction, and adaptive stabilization makes it clear that the company aims to remain the gold standard in aerial and action videography. The Avata 360, in particular, could completely revolutionize FPV filming by enabling creators to shoot immersive, distortion-free footage that viewers can explore freely in post-production. Whether you're an adventure filmmaker, drone racer, or commercial surveyor, this drone seems to be engineered for versatility and precision. Its rumored integration with the DJI Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 2 adds another layer of immersion, offering a near-zero latency experience that mimics real-world flight like never before. The combination of 360-degree recording and FPV agility could create a new genre of aerial cinematography, one that blends freedom of movement with creative storytelling power. In short, the DJI Avata 360 isn't just a drone, it's a statement of intent from DJI. A declaration that the future of FPV isn't confined to speed and stunts but extends into storytelling, creativity, and professional filmmaking. While some skeptics may dismiss it as a flashy marketing move, it's impossible to deny that DJI's innovation pipeline is stronger than ever. By combining technological prowess, design elegance, and user-focused features, DJI is once again proving why it remains at the top of the drone and action camera industry. So as 2025 draws to a close, all eyes are on DJI. Will the Avata 360 truly set a new benchmark for immersive aerial experiences? Will the Osmo Action 6 redefine what a pocket-sized camera can achieve? One thing's for certain, DJI is flying into the future with more ambition, precision, and innovation than ever before.